Here it comes. Give it your best shot.
How? I got it, Dad!
You sure did, kiddo. Now let's work on that backhand.
Whoa!
Sorry, honey. You hit it real far that time. Oh, come on.
Go on.
Are you kidding me? Wow, technology's amazing.
A daddy-daughter picnic? What could be better? Why don't you draw a picture while I set up? And I might treat myself to a cucumber slice. Crunchy.
This is fun, Daddy. I'm having the best day. Ow! Something bit me! Take that! It's so itchy! Stupid mosquito! Uh-oh. That can't be good. I'm out of here!
This cucumber's so good. I'm having a great time. Great food, amazing weather, and time with my daughter.
Save yourself, Dad! Phew. They're gone. At last. No! It can't be! No! It's going after Dad! Now it's personal! I need to do something!
I'm a lucky guy. Ooh!
There was a mosquito! It was huge! I'm a hero!
A mosquito, huh? Thanks. Wait a minute. I know what to do. We can use this. I forgot all about it. This will solve everything. It's a mesh tent.
Whoa! That's so cool! Let's go inside! Wow, it's so spacious. And the best part? No mosquitoes can get in. Nah.
You tell them, honey. Wait, I'm not in the tent. Uh-oh. Ah! Betty! Pay attention, class. This is important. This will be on the test.
Did he say test?
Remember to write this down. And let me know if I go too fast. It's a tricky one. I really struggled with it. So who wants to answer it? What are you doing?
I bet you can't do this!
But the math, it's exciting! Betty, you can answer this.
Me? That seems unfair.
Get up here. You should know this.
I'm not promising anything. I'm not good under pressure. It's easy. This is the answer. Trust me, I'm a genius. Great, thanks! What would I do without my besties? A bunny!
What? No wonder I have gray hair. You need to study more, young lady.
But I tried my best! And then he said I was wrong. It was all Jared's fault. He told me the answer. And then I cried. It was so embarrassing.
Don't worry, honey. Math is tough. I hated it. Hold on. This bag of beans is conveniently placed. In fact, it's like a sign. I think I know what to do. First, I need an empty Ziploc bag. I'll use a marker pen to draw on the bag. I'll start by drawing a circle. And then number it and add flower petals. I'll draw more flowers and number them. Next, I need some hair gel. I'll pour it into the bag. Now it's time for the beans. I'll paint them red and wait for them to dry. Then I'll add some black paint at one end. I want it to look like a ladybird. I'll do the same with the other bean. Now I can put them into the bag. The gel makes them slide around easier. I'll put them in random positions in the bag. This will help your math problems.
Wow! This is amazing! This is just what I need, Dad! Okay, I think I'm ready.
Let's try this again.
I can do this! I'll move a ladybird to the number on the flower. Then I'll move this one to the next flower. And he needs a buddy. The answer is 2. Sir?
Betty? Really? Come on up. Good luck.
I don't need luck. Just my ladybirds.
Whoa! I'm impressed. Keep up the good work.
Aw, thanks. Phew. Woohoo! It's time to make dinner! I can't forget my chef's hat. What should I make? Ooh, what's this? Ramen! Wow! This'll be perfect! I'll add some seasoning and oil. Cooking is fun. Now for the water. That's definitely water. In it goes! It looks good. I better give it a mix. I'm cooking up a storm! Daddy! He'll be so surprised.
What's wrong? I heard you shouting.
I made you dinner. It looks good, huh?
Ramen. My favorite. I can't wait to try it. Here goes. Ow!
Is something wrong?
Let me show you something. You have to cook the noodles. You need to use hot water. All you have to do is pour it into the bowl. Then just wait.
Whoa! I had no idea!
These look good. I'm gonna enjoy this. They're perfectly cooked. Ow! Hot, hot!
Blow on them. It'll help.
Thanks, honey. Just a little more.
Daddy! That was scary.
They're still warm.
Phew. He's okay. I need to cool the noodles down. Wait. I think I have it. I can use this shower cap. I'll lay the cap on a table. Then I need some ice cubes. I'll pour them into the cap. I think that's enough. Then I can place the ramen bowl on top. It's a perfect fit. This'll cool it down.
Whoa, that's pretty clever, Betty. In fact, it's pretty cool. Get it? I'm a natural comedian. Let's give them a try. Mmm, delicious. You're a great cook. You're better than your mom. Wait. That's not a noodle.
It adds flavor. Oops.
This one.